It's so hands. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new, please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, which is very important, and hit that notification bell down below. It'll mean so much to me, and I would truly appreciate if you would support and join the Honey Pot family. We are all love over here. There's no hate whatsoever, and I'm just so excited to have you guys. For my returning subscribers, of course, welcome back. I love you guys so much. Thank you always for the support. So real quick, I wanted to come up on here because a lot of my subscribers have been asking me for a update on my Hair So Fab unit that I previously posted a video like a couple of months ago. I'll leave the link in the description bar if you guys have not watched it, if you're new and you want to see, because everybody's been asking me how the hair's been keeping up, if it's, you know, because apparently a lot of people haven't had great, you know, reviews with Hair So Fab, but I've had this wig for 6 months. I've been wearing it on and off during that 6 months, and you guys, I don't know what some of these people are doing, because look at this. The wig is fantastic. This is not a promotion or anything. I'm not getting paid for this, nothing. I'm giving my honest to God opinion for anybody that wants it on the Hair So Fab hair or wigs. And this is just, it's in mint condition. Like, I feel like it's pretty much the same as when I got it. There hasn't been any shedding. Like I said, I've worn this constantly throughout the 6 months. I've washed it, I've curled it, all of that, and like you guys see, it's holding up pretty well. Right now the unit is not stuck on my head. I just pretty much have it placed down because clearly nobody's going anywhere, but you still want to look cute. So it's just like stuck, like placed on my head. That's why I'm not showing you the sides, because then the flaps will come up and I'll look crazy. So yeah, this is just my honest opinion, and I really wanted to answer any questions that you guys had about the hair. Like, I've had a couple of questions about the lace, if it's balding. It is not. I want to show you guys a little bit because I can't be lifting up my wig on the internet. Like, I can't do that. But the lace and everything is still pretty, like everything is in tip condition. I see no wrongs being done. So like I said, I'm not sure why people have been having problems with these units, but they're fantastic to me. I wear my unit a lot. It's actually one of my favorite units, and I have quite a few. As you guys see from the different videos, I do have a few wigs. So I'm not sure why, you know, people are not feeling it, but for me it's great. If my wig is stuck to my head, I normally clean my glue off with alcohol, just rubbing alcohol, and I just use like a rag and just wipe the glue out, and then I wash it as regular with shampoo and conditioner. I leave it to treat for about an hour, rinse it out, let it air dry, and then flat iron or curl back on my head, and it's good money to me. So I'm not sure what other people are doing, if they're doing things wrong, but I'm giving you guys the raw. This is very authentic. This is my honest to God opinion, and I will not lead you guys astray. Like, I'm not about to come up on here and tell you guys, oh yeah, get the hair, blah blah blah, and they ain't even paying me. Like, what? So no, this is like my honest review about this, and I like 6 months, and it's really holding up. Like I said, I see no wrongs being done. So yeah, this is pretty much my update on this unit, and it is a go. Like, it's muy bueno. So if anybody is interested in purchasing their hair, it's an online Instagram boutique, Hair So Fab. Like I said, this is not paid for or anything like that. This is just my honest review. So I say, yeah, go for it if you want to get it. It's pretty cute, and I see no wrongs. So yeah, that's all I really had much to say. No, that's all I really had to say in this video. So I kept this really short and brief for you guys. But like I said, for all my new subscribers, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. It'll really mean a lot to me. Like, comment, share, tell everybody, join this family. Like, we can have little talks and stuff like that. You know, we friends, we peoples, we loving, we no hate. period, whatsoever. So yes, like, comment, share, subscribe. Follow me on all my social media platforms, TikTok, Facebook, Snapchat, Instagram. Everything is under Honey Bee. Be pretty simple. Follow, I'll add you back, like that's simple. But yeah, I want to thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.